Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add auto-generated captions on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on the plus icon in the bottom, and then you need to select our video from your gallery. So I'm going to select. You can record also, and let me complete this loading. And then you need to click on the next, and then you need to scroll down and click on more options and click on allow auto generated captions, and here you can select the language of your caption, and you can select any language according to your choice, and you can easily add. So I'm going to select English, and then I need to go back and post my video. So this is the process by which you can add auto generated captions on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.